Hey guys, it's Julie here from Julia Aaron Designs. Today I wanted to share with you a quick tutorial on how I find keywords to use for my Zazzle products. So make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you want more print-on-demand tips in the future. I've been selling my art on Zazzle and other print-on-demand sites for over 6 years now. And when I first started, I had pretty much no idea on how to find keywords or use them in my titles or descriptions. So needless to say, my artwork didn't get found very often. So before you begin, you're going to want to at least have one or two words to describe your design. So, anything from like landscape painting to something more specific, like a pink elephant or black and white abstract drawing or something just to go on. So let's just go with pink elephant here. So I'm going to actually use the Zazzle search tool to search for pink elephant. So you can see here that you've already got some keywords that come up right away. So you've got cute, girl, rustic, whimsical, flowers, for kids, for her, blah, blah, blah. So you can definitely incorporate some of these keywords if they're relevant. And you could also add a couple of these to your title and description as well. So you might want to change it to, cute pink elephant for girls or something like that, and also add those into your description as well. So another place to find keywords is we could go to this top design right here. So, or, something more similar to your design if this isn't that similar. But you want to find, the best-selling design that's similar to what your design looks like. And then you could scroll down and you can see here, some of these keywords are blacked out. So that means that they're totally irrelevant and they're not actually helping be found on Zazzle. So you want to use the words that have blue because you only get 10 tags here. You don't want to waste your tags. So, you choose elephant, girl, maybe birthday, cute, pink, floral, etc. And so you can do that with actually other print-on-demand sites. If you sell on like Zazzle and Redbubble, you can follow a similar sort of way of doing this. So here's another pink elephant design. Let's see what tags they have here. So here's some different ones: modern, hipster, summer, fun, animal. Those are definitely relevant to a pink elephant design. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you thought about this tutorial, and if you would like to see more print-on-demand tutorials, let me know in the comments below. I'm planning to do more, so make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. Cheers!